Hey, welcome to AIT. We're showing an AIT 7472 roll-to-roll rotary heat press today that we're running in for a customer. Just setting it up, QCing, calibrating, those kind of things here on the floor before we ship the machine. The 7472 is a machine that is an oil drum. All the calendars, all the drums on the machines are oil-filled drums, but it is a 13.75-inch diameter. You're looking at the drum in the background, the knurled-driven roller, so we actually drive the felt belt from here with this driven roller. And so 13.57-inch diameter drum, almost 14 inches. The belt width here is going to be 78 inches. So one thing about the AIT equipment, the model number may be 7472, but it's actually wider than that. It's the same thing for the 7460. That machine is actually 66, 67 inches wide, and the 7472 is wider and can certainly do 72-inch product and wider. This machine, besides everything that I've mentioned, is made for roll-to-roll. So here we have a roll of fabric on the bottom that unwinds up through a dancer bar and what we call an S-wrap system. This unwind we'll use for print paper. All of that goes in this section here, print paper and fabric, around the drum, goes around and comes back here. Fabric will go up here. This idler roller will help the used print paper come down, separate from the printed fabric, and come back up here to rewind. So that's the roll-to-roll model 7472. The other popular machine for us, got one on the floor here, is what we call a 7400 Sport. It looks just like the machine we're just looking at, except this has an input table. So this will allow you to unwind printed paper, put cut parts on top, and go inside the machine. And that's in contrast to the roll-to-roll version that's going to be rolls of fabric, rolls of print paper, and rolls of blotting tissue. So quick walk around back side of the machine here. You can see we've got a rewind on the bottom, actually multiple rewinds, and a rewind. The bar is missing here in this section for the moment, but all of these have their own controls. They have their own on-off and their own variable speed winding motors for the rewinds. Over here on this side of the machine, there's a two-piece side frame door. So one section is an electrical, isolated electrical cabinet that we've got open there for the moment, and then the rest, the other door opens and lets you see motors and all the other stuff. All our machines work with Schneider touchscreen PLCs. So they're going to be in Celsius. 204 degrees is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. They're all touchscreen, as I mentioned, so you're able to just touch what you want to change, enter it, and then that shows up here. Same thing with speeds. This is 1.2 meters per minute. That's 4 feet per minute at a 45-second dwell time. And you can change, the dwell time if you want to, or you can also change the line speed if you prefer to go at it this way. Most people know their dwell time, so they're just changing that. And there's other cool features here, including a planner, a day planner that starts the machine up every day or not. So this will start the machine up before you get into the office and let you preheat the machine for operation. A little bit tough to use here because we've got the protective cover over it for the moment. But touchscreen PLCs on all rotary heat presses, and yes, this machine is headed out to a customer, but we are in the midst of stocking these machines, trying to stock these machines and the sport machines to be able to supply the marketplace out there. We've even got a 10-foot machine here that is a roll-to-roll available machine as well. So get in touch with your AIT representative for any other questions and machine availability. Thanks for watching.